y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you my updated eyebrow routine. I like to take a spoolie and brush all my eyebrows in a upward position. This step is optional, but what I'm doing is taking a razor and shaving off any hairs that I don't want in certain areas. I'm gonna zoom in just so you can see it, just so you can see a little better of what I'm doing. So I like to take this razor and, like I said, just basically shave off any hairs that I don't want in certain areas. This step also helps me shape my eyebrow as well. The product that I'm using is the Benefit Precisely brow pencil, and what I like to do is do hair-like strokes all over my brows. I like a soft, natural looking eyebrow, so I do hair-like strokes. And I also like to let the end part of my brow, like my brow, the tail part of my brow, I like to let that be a little darker than the beginning part of my brow. I like that ombre effect, and it looks natural to me. Moving on to the next step, I like to take this concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. You can take any concealer that you like, but I'm using this concealer, and I'm basically just carving out my brows. This is going to help my brows look really sharp and clean. I like to take a concealer that's either my skin tone or a shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm taking this concealer brush and just blending out that concealer. Blending is key. Blending is key. Taking my hand and just blending out that concealer a little more. I like my concealer to be really blended, or you can take a beauty sponge and blend out your concealer as well. After my brows are done and the concealer is blended, I like to take this e.l.f. brow gel and apply this to my eyebrows. What this is going to do is help keep my eyebrows in place all day, because I need these to stay. I don't need them to be moving and smudging throughout the day, so I just take this brow gel and apply that directly on my brows. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoy this easy tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ain't nobody gonna know.